In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to n8n. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and make seamless communications with your team, then integrating these two platforms can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and break it down into simple, clear steps. To begin, make sure you have your workflow open in n8n. If you're new to n8n, it's a powerful workflow automation tool that allows you to connect various apps and services, making your tasks more efficient and less cumbersome. Once you have your workflow screen up, you'll see a plus symbol or an option where you can add nodes. Clicking on this will be our first task. This is essentially adding a new layer or step into your automation workflow, which in our case will be Microsoft Teams. Now, after clicking Add Node, you'll need to search for Microsoft Teams in the search bar. This is a crucial step as n8n offers a wide variety of nodes from numerous applications, so you'll want to ensure you specifically select Microsoft Teams. Once you find it, go ahead and add the node to your workflow. Doing this will open up a whole array of possibilities with Microsoft Teams right from within n8n. The Microsoft Teams node is incredibly versatile, supporting several operations that can greatly enhance how you and your team collaborate. With this node, you can perform actions like creating new channels. Channels in Microsoft Teams help organize conversations around different topics, departments, or projects, which is fantastic for keeping related messages clustered together for easier discussion and follow-up. In addition to creating channels, you can also send channel messages. This allows you to push out communication directly from n8n into a specific channel within Microsoft Teams. Maybe you want to notify your team of a completed task or share an important update. This feature makes it effortlessly effective. Furthermore, you can handle chat messages. Unlike channels, direct chat messages enable one-on-one or smaller group communications, which can be tailored for more private or specific interactions right within the Teams environment. Lastly, there is the capacity to manage tasks. Whether it's assigning a new task or updating the status of an existing one, you can handle these directly from n8n through Microsoft Teams, ensuring everyone stays on the same page with their responsibilities. The beauty of integrating Microsoft Teams with n8n is in how it centralizes your communication and task management within one continuous flow, eliminating the hassle of switching between apps and risking communication gaps. And that's it. With Microsoft Teams now integrated into your n8n workflow, you've unlocked a powerful combination to enhance the productivity and communication of your team. Remember to experiment with the various node features to find the setup that works best for your needs. Thanks for watching and happy automating.